Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Microsoft Edge, which is opening but not responding in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you need to open your Microsoft Edge. Once you're here at your Microsoft Edge, just expand it. Okay, this time you need to go for the upper right side of your screen. It has these three dots here. Click on that to see settings and more. Okay, here you need to scroll down and locate settings. Once you find it, simply tap it to continue. Okay, so once you're here at your settings, go for the left side of it. It has this list of options or sections. Here you need to go for reset settings. Simply click on it. And it has this restore settings to their default values. Just simply click this forward arrow to proceed. And this window will appear. Okay, so I wanted to assure you that once you reset your Microsoft Edge, it will not delete favorites, history, and saved passwords. Okay, so it will only reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, pin tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Okay, so just simply click on reset, and then the moment you click on reset, just have to restart your computer. And once you relaunch your computer again, just have to open your Microsoft Edge and check if it's working again. Okay, and let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the second step, a very important step, which is to run our settings. Now, how we can do that at the start icon, just do a right click of it and go for settings. Okay, so once you're here at the settings, you just have to wait until everything is ready, okay? So once this is ready, go for the left side of your screen. It has this list of options. Now you need to look for apps. So I can see here apps next to personalization. Just simply click on it. And here at this different sections, you need to go for the first one, which is installed apps, okay? Just simply click this forward arrow to open it, and once you click on that, you will be redirected to the installed applications in your computer. Okay, here you need to look for Microsoft Edge by simply scrolling down. Okay, you can see here Microsoft Edge next to Microsoft being searched. Okay, here aligning dot is this three dots. Just simply click on that and go for modify. The moment you click on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes and go for repair. Okay, so make sure that you are connected with any internet connection or any network cable to complete the process. Okay, so once done, this will reinstall the Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so once done, just have to restart your computer again and then open your Microsoft Edge. If it's working, then good for you. Then let's say if it doesn't, then let's bound to the very last step, a very important step, which is to update your Windows. Now, how we can do that? At the search button, just type Windows Update, then go for this best match. Just click on open to proceed. Okay, so just have to update your Windows and restart your computer and you're good to go. Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.